I started at Donald Trump for 5 minutes staring, and here is what I felt. At first, I thought, what the hell am I doing? But then I realized that this man has reached his prime. What sort of capabilities does he carry? My brain slowed down and shifted into an observationally serious mood. The second minute, I began to wonder how an idiot could become a president of the world's most powerful country. But is that actually a fact? Is the world led by idiots now, or are we living in an era of idiocracy? Before reaching a hasty conclusion, I realized how incredibly strong you have to be to hide your emotions behind a foolish face. I learned that you must be strong and your face must never tell your story. This is quite a lesson.
Oh, yes.
In the third minute, I started feeling a little anxious, with butterflies in my stomach. This man meets with several highly important people daily, making powerful decisions. He is responsible for an entire nation of millions, yet he showcases absolutely no expressions or emotions on his face. This is the strongest capability I observed in him. In the minute fourth and fifth, I realized that he is not only strong but highly smart. It is not his physical appearance that dictates how we perceive him or how we decide to look at him. It is somatic empathy. This means your body physically feels in weight of a thought. Your body physically feels the weight of a thought. Ultimately, this represents an intense level of mastery, being the highest level of power while remaining capable of maintaining a completely strong, unreadable face. It is a face with no smile, a face that might give people funny thoughts or make them think he is a fool, but he is not letting anyone read what his mind is doing. So basically, this is the concept of idiot mask. Throughout the history, some of the most cunning leaders and powerful players have used a buffoonish, unpredictable, or foolish public persona as a literal shield. Why? Because if people think you are an idiot, they underestimate you, and they don't see the punch coming from you. This is the idiot mask, a strategic front that hides your true capabilities. And the ultimate lesson, you realize that wearing your heart on your sleeve makes you vulnerable. Keeping a mask, even one that people laugh or misunderstand, keeps your true identity, strategies, pain, and calculations completely safe. Your takeaway is a classic survival rule. Your face must not tell your story. This is a hard-learned, highly protective psychological boundary. So what is happening when you see a physical tick or reaction? This is not just a random twitch. It is the nervous system triggering a fight or flight response, physically demonstrating just how heavy that kind of power actually is to carry. The ultimate takeaway from this observation is a deep simulation of power, survival, and emotional defense. This is a practically personal rule. Control your expressions, protect your inner state, and never let the world read your play. This is not just a lesson, it is a shield. So, what does Donald Trump's face tell you? Feel free to share your thoughts. We definitely have some funny perspectives keep sharing in the future discussions about more celebrities and more people. So, you can share with us and let's have fun together.